Chris from the Hangry Home Chefs. Today, we're making kecap anise. It's a sweet and spicy Indonesian style soy sauce. What did one soy sauce say to the other soy sauce? I am soy into you.
I am soy into you.
Selamat pagi. Today we're making kecap anise. It's super easy and you'll only need a few ingredients. Star anise, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, palm sugar, and my personal touch, tapioca starch. Skin and quarter a big knob of ginger. Smash 3 cloves of garlic. Prepare 2 star anise. Now add to a sauce pot 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3/4 cups of palm sugar, one-quarter cup of water, half a teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of tapioca starch. Add the garlic, ginger, and star anise and mix with a spatula. Bring those ingredients to a boil and then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. It will thicken up as it boils and then even more as it cools down. Remove the garlic, ginger, and star anise before storing. Ladies and gentlemen, kecap anise. Now drizzle that kecap anise all over your homemade Nasi Goreng. And there you have it, a delicious and traditional Indonesian meal. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Terima kasih.
No.